Hi, I am Nathan Collie. I'm a nature photographer, videographer, and nature lover. I've loved to study the behavior of the natural world since my childhood. I grew up in the country, hunting, fishing, and camping. I've always felt at peace when I am with nature. Listening to all the different sounds around me has always drawn my attention to the birds in particular. It opened up a whole new world. I became really interested in documenting them, and now they have become my passion. Now I understand the reason why people get into birding, because you never stop learning. Tennessee offers year-round activity with a unique variety of species. There are surprises along the way, too, such as the sighting of a rare Rosetta spoonbill, similar to a flamingo, that appeared after a hurricane in North Carolina. Moments with Birds is my collection of over 100 photographs capturing the beauty of both the migratory and resident birds of Tennessee. It also includes information about the species as well as my own personal stories from behind the scenes. The book will take you on a journey through all 4 seasons. Some of my favorite places to photograph are featured such as Warner Parks and Rattler Lake State Park in Nashville. This project has become a meaningful labor of love for me. Protecting birds can ultimately save an ecosystem. The loss of a bird population in an area can be an early sign of trouble to come to the whole environment. Some of the warblers that are documented are now in a steady decline. I hope to share these special moments with you. Something as small as a bird can draw us in to participate in the beauty of our natural world.